Hello, my name is Jenny Quintero. I'm going to talk about the positive and negative aspect of technology in the environment, the technological advance, and the effect on the ecosystem. Technology has been involved in the life of living beings. If we talk about negative aspects, the increase in energy expenditure. In the increase of the population has been involved air due to use of transport, industrial emissions. All these factors contributed negatively to climate change. If we refer to technology in positive aspect, we can see that thanks to this great progress has been made in the quality of life, especially of us as human beings, and can be seen on the internet and the possibility of direct communication from any place. I see very critical the situation of our planet, with the impact of the hand of man and for the misfortune of a whole population the shortage of resources, especially drinking water, energy and climate change will continue to affect the new generations. Thanks.